What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera crashing issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Now again tap on this apps option and then scroll down and tap on camera and then tap on this force stop option. Now from the pop-up again tap on force stop to confirm, and after that the crashing issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the camera crashing issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this power button and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone it will fix the camera crashing issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the crashing issue, then the next solution is open settings again. Now go to apps. Now tap on this apps option and then scroll down and tap on camera. Now here tap on storage and clear the cache memory and app data of camera app. So to clear the cache memory, just simply tap on clear cache, and to clear the app data tap on clear data, and from the pop-up tap on delete. Now after doing this, the camera crashing issue will be 100% fixed. But somehow if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates and then tap on reset. Now tap on reset all settings and then again tap on this reset all settings option on the bottom of your screen to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings back to factory default, and after doing this the camera crashing issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix camera crashing issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.